Good evening, everyone. My name is Eustace Leon Greaves Jr., also known in the blogosphere as Brooklyn Covered. And tonight, it's Friday night. I was going through my Outlook emails and had a directive come down from New York State Department of Taxation and Finance, the Taxpayer Guidance Division. And it is regarding the Marriage Equality Act. Now, as you know, effective July 24th, 2011, here in the state of New York, the Marriage Equality Act was signed into law as chapters 95 and 96 of the laws of 2011. Now, one purpose of the act is to provide that all marriages, whether of same-sex couples or different-sex couples, will be treated equally under all the laws of the state. Accordingly, the act applies to all taxes administered by the tax department as of the effective date of July 24th. Now, as you may or may not know, when you file a federal tax return, even if you get married on December 31st if you say I do at 11:59, you're considered married for the entire year prior, all the way back to January 1st. That's what's going to be happening with this act. So if anyone decided to get married on July 24th, which was their right, according to, again, chapters 95 and 96 of the laws of 2011 for the state of New York, that means that you can now file your New York State personal income tax returns as a married couple. So there's two ways you can file. You can file married filing jointly on your New York State return or married filing separately. Now, federal laws still do not jive with or work with that. So in the federal law, here's what's going to happen when you do your income taxes for 2011 and 2012 for New York State. When your tax preparer does or prepares your federal return first, because don't forget, everything flows from the federal return, and that creates your state numbers. They will have to prepare your federal return first as though you are married, either filing jointly or filing separately, whichever works best for you tax-wise. Then your tax preparer will do your New York State return as married filing joint, married filing separately, because now we have the proper numbers from the federal return. Remember, folks, as I've said in prior posts, everything flows from the federal return. Once we have the New York State return done and set, your preparer will then have to go back to the federal and prepare a federal return separately for you and another return separately for your partner. So again, now, your tax preparer is going to be preparing basically you're going to be preparing at least 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 different returns. Even though they won't all be filed, they will still have to prepare these returns and then go back and fix them so that they fit the federal income tax mandates. Alrighty. So for those of you who who are now enjoying the rights of as a same-sex couple, please be aware that your income tax filing charges will probably increase in 2012 because of this, until the federal law, if it is ever changed, changes to, again, jive with or match, for example, the New York State personal income tax law. So that's it for tonight. That just came. That's hot off the press. Just got it. If anybody would like a copy of it, I have it right here, the Marriage Equality Act. Feel free to give me a call or send me an email to, trying to give you the easy one, Eustace, E-U-S, that's E-U-S as in Sam, T-A-C-E, at brooklyncovered.com. And I'll be more than happy to email you a copy of the Marriage Equality Act. So, until next time, this has been another issue, another segment of what we now called Just Thought You'd Like to Know. I'm Eustace Leon Greaves Jr., your problem preventer, and I do that using insurance, income tax preparation and planning, and defensive driving workshops with a healthy review of the New York State vehicle and traffic laws. So until next time, and we have a lot of things coming up, a lot of things I have to do, both on the written blog, the podcast, and the video cast. Until next time, God bless. Make it a great day. In fact, make it an outstanding day. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.